What's up, guys? Yeah, I had to come check on the DEERES out here. My two John Deere machines after that windstorm. We had a big windstorm last night. Crazy. Trees blowing down all over town, and so I was worried about it because over here there's a lot of softwood trees, pines and hemlocks, real tall, skinny ones, and you know, I try to park my stuff, you know, away from the area and stuff, but the owner over here, you know, I only can put them in certain areas. Anyways, yeah, so I checked them all out and started them up. It's been a couple months. There's the John Deere 190, she's running. Then the John Deere 350, she's running. But you could see what I mean here. This is why I was nervous around here, because I knew how easy these softwood trees, pine and stuff, it's amazing how easy they push over with an excavator. Even my Bobcat 325, I can push some of these over, but this is what I was worried of. If this thing had fell the other way, by looking at it, I think the top would have just touched the dozer or the bucket on the excavator, the top of this, you know, and that, you know, yeah. Thank God it was leaning that way, so we got a leaner here. This thing's got to be pushed over before somebody gets hurt here. It's hanging up there. Damn. Yeah, I cleared all this out. This was all woods. He wanted it cleared out, so, you know, they have some more walking and hanging out area of their property. But here was another one. So 2 trees uprooted. Damn. This one went this way. But yeah, this other tree here, definitely a tall tree. Wow. Thank God. Thank God it went that way. Even thank God for the guy's house. I mean, that thing might have reached the house. I mean, look at this. And then right where the tops start, there's got to be 30, 40 feet up there from where the top starts of the tree. Oh. Woo! So, well, all the other trees should be fine. I mean, we had some heavy. It was part of a hurricane. I couldn't get up here last night. I wanted to get up here and just check on it, and I went and checked on the other job I got going on, and that's near the edge of a forest also, where the job I'm working on. There's a tree line up there, and yeah, softwood trees over there too, but everything was all right. But this could have been a problem over here. Wow. But it worked out, so checking it out, getting it ready. Yeah, the only thing I'm puzzled and a little bit aggravated about is I need a muffler for this John Deere 190E, my excavator. It's a 1997. I talked to the dealer. He said they can't get it no more. They don't make them no more. And then he had the I couldn't believe he said this. He's like, oh, well, that's an old machine. Like, I was a little bit taken back by that. I actually was aggravated. I said, well, I ain't got $100,000, or I don't have 50. I said, I don't have $100,000 for a new machine this size, a mid-size excavator. And he didn't say nothing. I said, I bought this machine for what they're going for. If you look this size machine up, or even these same models, you know, on all the equipment papers, I got a good deal, and I said it's making me money, and it runs mint, and I said it's got 5,000 hours, and he didn't say nothing, but I was a little bit aggravated. He acted like, oh, that's a real old machine, you ain't gonna get nothing for that. I said, you know what, I'm all set, thank you, and I hung up. I can't believe he said that. I guess they just want to sell new machines and new stuff. That's what I come to think. I don't understand. But so yeah, I gotta find. So then I tried 2 aftermarket ones off the internet, and of course they want to take your name and number and say they'll get back to you, and then they never got back to me. And one of the it was a lady on one of them. She's like, oh, that's I don't know. But now I know Hitachi's the same as John Deere, just different engines, you know. But that might make the biggest difference, the way the mufflers fit. Because I checked, this is like the size of an EX60 Hitachi, and oh, they got tons of them, mufflers, right on the internet. EX100s, EX60s. But you type in this model here, and no results. Nothing. I don't understand it. This has a John Deere engine, and I believe the Hitachis have the Isuzu, but I'll have to find something out. I'm gonna take a picture of, I'm gonna take some measurements, the exhaust and where all the spouts come out, and the size of it, take some pictures, and then I'm gonna, if I can't find one in the next few days, I'm gonna see if I can get measurements from a Hitachi EX60s, you know, because I know they have the different dash numbers, like dash 3, dash 4, dash 5, dash 6, you know, the different years. But I'll start with whatever year. I think it's a dash 3 EX60s equal to this one, like a 1997. And I'll see if it looks the same, and see if I can find some measurements on that one, and you know, I'll have to make it work, because this muffler's all rotted out bad. The inside of the engine compartment on that side's all filled with soot and stuff, and for when it rains and stuff, I don't want any issues. So yeah, that's the only issue I ran into. I didn't think I'd ever have a problem with that. I mean, this is a, you know, late 90s John Deere excavator, but I don't know. To me, it's not old, but I like this stuff. I don't know. This machine seems big for, like they said, it's equal to the EX60, but if you put this near the EX60, this machine's bigger than that. But I guess it's got the same horsepower engine and all that. But you know, when I'm in this machine, this thing feels like the way they made them back then. I could park right next to like a new 110, 120 size machine, and this is like the same size as it. You know, the arm, the structure. You know, I guess it's all about the engine size and the hydraulic pump size and things like that. But the structure on this machine is pretty heavy duty and beefy. It's a heavy machine too. I mean, this thing's like 17,000 pounds. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, I like it. Everything runs good on it, but that's the only thing I gotta figure out. Alright guys, figure I just make a little video of the aftermath of the storm and the uprooted tree. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.